Hi folks, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out my video today. And I'm not going to be very long, but I've got a wonderful business concept that I want to share with you. If you are interested in making money, then stay around with me for the next few moments. Before we get into that, I've got two thoughts that I want to share real quick. Okay, and they are from the Walt Disney Success Plan. And the first thought is this: free the imagination. Free the imagination. You are capable of more than you can imagine. So, imagine the ultimate. Man, isn't that powerful? And the second one is this: think tomorrow. Think tomorrow. Make today's efforts pay off tomorrow. Man, isn't that some great stuff? Something to think about, something to write down in your journal or your notebook if you have one. All right, okay, so let's get into this money-making idea, this money-making concept today, okay? Okay, so I want to get into what this page is all about, okay? And I'm going to have the link to this page. I'll let you know that right off so that you can come and take a look. Now, the page may be different when you come here, but that's okay because the links to the pages that I want you to see are going to be linked to whatever page I put up. It's going to be there, relative to this video. Okay. Excuse me just for a moment. Man. Okay. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, man. Every now and then my allergies just act up, and I always forget to bring something to drink, and so I had to run and get something to drink real quick and come on back. But thanks for hanging in. It didn't take that long, did it? This is a great concept that I want to share with you, and I'm sure you've heard the thought, the idea that you shouldn't put all of your eggs into one basket. And that's one thing that I really like about the ASN, Business Opportunity All Solutions Network, because there are multiple ways that you can make money with this business, okay? And this is one of the ways that I really like, because to me it just makes all kinds of sense, okay? And as you can see, it says shop at Amazon, Walmart, and get paid. And you can really do that with this program, okay? So, and so you see here, I say shop on my Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, and More page. And I say More page because there are other businesses on the page, okay? Now, I'll take you there in just a moment. And when you shop there, see, you'll earn points where you can get some profit sharing funds from the company. So this is very powerful, okay? And this is what I thought about. I know people that shop at Amazon at least a couple times a month, okay? Some I know that shop at Amazon 2 to 3 times per week, and Walmart, and places like that. So this is something that people are going to do anyway. So why not have them do it from your page, and you'll be able to make some money from them doing that, okay? And so there's all kinds of ways that you'll be able to profit from people going to your page and taking advantage of what's offered, okay? So you can get a free website and a page like mine, all right? And then you can shop on your own Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, and More page. That's my name for it, okay? And then we both will get paid. So in effect, what you're doing is you're giving away a free business opportunity. All right. And people are going to do what they're going to do anyway. They're going to shop at Amazon. They're going to go to Walmart. They're going to go to Best Buy. They're going to go to Sam's Club. They're going to go to Macy's. They're going to go to TJ Maxx. They're going to, they're going to go to all of these places and they're going to shop. And so all we're asking people to do is, look, get yourself a page and you shop on your page and you get benefits from shopping on your own page from these stores you're going to go to anyway and get nothing back. You understand what I'm saying? So it makes sense. So this opportunity with ASN is what? Free to join and free to earn. Okay. And so as you can see here, I say click here on my Amazon Walmart page. So that's what I call the page. Okay. And then you can click here to get your free website and money making system. And once you click here, there's going to be a short video. It's a minute and 42 seconds, something like that. Okay, so you can listen to the powerful, less than 2-minute video and find out how this works. Okay, so what I'm going to do real quick, I'm going to go to this Amazon Walmart page, my name for it, of course. Okay, and so you can take a quick look, and then we're going to close the video down. Okay, so let me do that. Okay, so here we are at my name for it is the Amazon Walmart page. Okay, and as you can see right here, you can go to Walmart to shop, you can go to Amazon to shop, Sam's Club, TJ Maxx, and we're just seeing part of the part of the page, and there's a lot here where you can shop, people can shop, and you make money and they'll make money. It just makes sense. If I'm going to shop at Amazon anyway, why don't I go to my own page, shop from my own page, and then benefit from me shopping? That's what this is all about. And if you look here, this is kind of cool. You get $20, by giving $20 over and over again. Okay, so you're going to help people get $20, and guess what? You're going to be paid $20. Whoa, what? Yeah, so look, it's a lot here, okay? It's a lot here, but there you have it, all right? And so get your free page, okay? And I'll be back in just a second. Okay, in closing, I just wanted to remind you that I will have the link in the description area of this video. And again, the page may be different, but you'll be able to access, that page. We just looked at the Amazon Walmart page, as I call it. And you'll also be able to get your free website and money-making system. Okay, you're giving away something free, and guess what? You can start making money for free. It makes sense, man, if people can grab hold of the concept. Grabbing hold of the concept. But there you have it. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye now.